Welcome back to Dark Pool Daily. Today we're doing something different. Instead of looking only at SPY, QQQ, and IWM, I'm highlighting 3 cheap names that saw heavy dark pool buying on Friday, all highly sensitive to interest rates. These are real estate names where the leap options are surprisingly cheap, giving traders a way to ride potential institutional moves. First up, TRTX. Institutions hit this stock hard, with a massive block of nearly $10 million at $9.65, plus multiple $1.3 million prints at $9.68. This is a beaten-down real estate name, but institutions clearly see value, and the leap calls are priced very cheap for the risk-reward. Next is DC, which saw a single large dark pool print at $4.40 for $2.6 million. This isn't a big name, so that size is unusual. For a stock at this price level, that's strong conviction buying. Again, the leap options are cheap, making it a lower-cost way to follow this flow. And finally, BDN. This one also lit up with nearly 1 million shares at $4.30, worth over $4 million, plus another 250,000 shares added at the same price. That's a big statement in a cheap real estate stock. Institutions were active here, and longer-dated calls are priced to give strong upside if rates stabilize. So to recap, TRTX, DC, and BDN all saw big institutional buying Friday. These are cheap, rate-sensitive names, and the leap options are giving retail traders an opportunity to get in with limited risk and big potential upside. If you like this type of segment, let me know in the comments and drop tickers you want me to track in future episodes. This is the kind of flow that doesn't show up in the headlines, but it can give us an edge before the crowd catches on.